Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to duplicate a WordPress page or post with a single click. So open and sign in your WordPress dashboard. Now here hover cursor to plugins, click on add new. Now here guys, search duplicate post. Make sure you type duplicate this one, then click on install now. Then click on activate. Click on allow and continue. You can now easily copy post and pages in various areas. And you can also delete duplicate post easily. Click on got it, close intro. Now click on all posts or pages. Now hover cursor here, you will see this one copy. Click on copy now. So you will see this is the in draft and this is the duplicate for this one. Similar, you can duplicate a post easily. Click on edit. Now you will see all attachment settings, images and article in your duplicate post. So thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not.